is Noob Survivalist, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my channel, and I'm also going to do a review. My channel is basically about being prepared for anything. I will also be on Young Teen Prepper, so I encourage you to check that channel out. I also encourage you to check my gaming channel out, and that is TwisterNate112, because my name is Nate, but my nickname is Twister Nate, so my name is Twister Nate on here. And so, yeah. So, let's get to the product. My review today is going to be a game winner folding knife. Now, this knife is basically a skinning, hunting, this is meant for hunting thing, hunting, camping stuff, hunting. This is meant for hunting, not doing the actual hunting, but using it for hunting. So, yeah. As you can see, it has clip point, so that allows the tip to be very sharp. So that way, if you're skinning an animal, you go in, and then you go in, and then you cut in, and then you skin, like that. So, yeah. So I'm going to be showing you this knife. You can buy the kit at Academy. That's what I did for 20 bucks. It came with a flashlight and a multi-tool. I'll show you right now. I always keep a multi-tool and a knife in my pocket. The multi-tool comes with a knife, but what's also helpful with the multi-tool is this knife comes not exactly the sharpest knife, but it's okay, so you might want to sharpen it. And yeah, so that's that. And let's get into the actual knife. The blade, the tip, clip point makes the tip very stabby and sharp, but it's not as strong. So that's why this is mostly used for skinning. I suggest it if it's your first pocket knife. Well, second, actually. I would choose a drop point for your first, because it wouldn't make the tip so sharp. So that way if you're running with it or something, which is pretty stupid, so I don't recommend that. And if you fall or something, it's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna stab too much, but this will do a lot of damage. So, maybe not permanent, but some pretty bad. So, yeah. So that's that. Now let's get to actually testing the knife. So, this is the actual knife. This is the knife, and we're going to be testing this thing. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, let's get right in. First thing is going to be the sharpness of the tip. So, yeah. So I'm gonna stab it in this tree. 1, 2. That was a bad stab, but it still sticks. I mean, look at that thing. That is stuck in there. So, that's that. Now let's get on to the, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, if it will actually skin the animal. Now we're going to test this on a branch. So, yeah. So if it doesn't work on the branch, it's because, well, I guess it's let's get a stick so that way we can whittle it. Because whittling is a lot like the same as skinning. Sorry, my thumb's in the way. I don't realize that. Okay. So, already, bang, this is gonna skin an animal. It's like raining whenever I cut in. Dang. I had no clue what this thing was capable of. I don't know if you can see those little tiny shreds coming off, but dang, that is a good skinning knife. Now, time for the slicing part. So we're just gonna take a really tiny, like this right here. Here we go. This will work. I've been cutting into this with my multi-tools because it has a saw on it, but I'm gonna review that in my next video, which will be pretty soon. So, okay. Already made a good size cut. So yeah, that is a good knife, my friends. Take a look at that. Dang, this is a good knife. So I would say this is a very good knife for hunting, skinning, something like that. Skinning a rabbit, turkey, squirrel. Well, you can't skin a turkey, but deer. I meant deer. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to end the video, but yeah. So this is a good knife. I recommend it. I'm Noob Survivalist, and I'm out.